For the Fenom Flow software to run properly, Microsoft.NET 6.0 must be loaded onto the Microsoft operating system. .NET Desktop Runtime 6.0 can be loaded from the following website. To install the Fenom Flow software, you must first obtain the installation software.
To request a link to the Fenom Flow software, go to the MGC Diagnostics Support webpage, then click on the request link and fill out the form.
Next, browse to the installation software on the Windows operating system, and then double-click the file to run the installation. When the Fenom Flow Setup wizard appears, select Next to start the installation. Accept the license agreement terms by placing a check mark in the I accept box and then selecting Next. While in the Installation Options panel, you have the options to create a start menu or desktop shortcut by clicking on the applicable box and then clicking Next. The installation progress of the Fenom Flow software will be visible. After the installation, you may select the checkbox to run the software automatically upon finishing the installation. Then select Finish to close the Fenom Flow installation process.
Upon new installation, 100 startup test credits will be available.
Contact the appropriate support line to purchase additional test credits. Be sure to watch Chapter 6, Test Credit Management, on how to load the additional credits. The Fenom Flow icon will now be available on the desktop and/or in the Start menu, depending on what was selected during installation. The Fenom Flow can connect wirelessly to the operating system via Bluetooth. Users must first ensure that the operating system on which the application is loaded has Bluetooth capabilities and that Bluetooth is enabled. To pair the Fenom Flow device with the Windows operating system, you must first power on the Fenom Flow device by pressing the power button. Once powered, the LED light on the side of the device will blink blue, indicating that it is in pairing mode. Open the Bluetooth and Other Devices settings menu. Select Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Select Bluetooth.
Depending on your Windows 11 version, you may need to change the Bluetooth device's discovery setting to Advanced for the device to display.
Find and select the Fenom Flow device from the displayed list. The correct PIN will automatically be generated. Select Connect. A successful connection message will display. Select Done to close out of the Add Bluetooth display screen. Open the Fenom Flow application by double-clicking on the Fenom Flow icon from the desktop, and verifying the device is connected by noting the green battery power icon on the top right-hand side of the screen. Please contact your local distributor or call the MGC Diagnostics Technical Support phone number, available in the Support tab of the About Help menu.